Good morning. This is a small video for you to prepare for the Communicative Task 1 about personal information. We're going to review the questions that we're going to use in the different parts of the interview of the Communicative Task. Okay? So let's start. Remember, this Communicative Task has 3 parts. Okay? 1 is introducing yourself, talking about you. 2 is talking about your family. And 3, we're going to talk about a character you selected from the list you have in Campus Virtual. Okay? So we're going to have a conversation about these 3 topics. Very important. Camera on. Okay? Microphone on. You have to be prepared in terms of the space, silence, and also be prepared about the grammar, the vocabulary that we're going to use, and be on time. Remember that you have to sign in the list that we have in Teams, okay? Okay, so first questions, introducing yourself, talking about you. So basically, I'm going to ask questions about your personal information. Very easy. For example, questions. What is your name? What is your last name? How do you spell your name? How old are you? Where are you from? Where do you live? What semester are you in? Are you single or married? What is your phone number? What is your email address? Okay? Remember that you answer giving complete sentences, not just words. So, what is your name? My name is Jorge. What is your last name? My last name is Muñoz. Okay, complete answers. Good. Let's go to talking about your family. In this part, you're going to talk about your family. I will ask questions, but it's basically the presentation that you're going to do about your family. Okay? So questions. Is your family big or small? Who do you live with? What is your father's or mother's name? What does your mother and father do? How old are your parents? How many brothers and sisters do you have? What are your siblings' names? How old are your siblings? Do you have a pet? What's your pet's name? Okay? Again, you have to use complete sentences, complete answers. Is your family big or small? My family is small. My family is big. How many people are in your family? In my family are 5 people. Who do you live with? I live with my mother, my father, and my brothers. Okay? Complete sentences, complete answers. And finally, we have to talk about powerful people. So you select one person, and I'm going to ask questions about that person. So what kind of questions? These ones. Who is your powerful character? Where is he or she from? How old is he or she? Where does he or she live? What is his or her profession? Is he or she single or married? Does he or she have children? And why is he or she famous? Remember, I selected Xi Jinping. So, for example, in my case, who is your powerful character? My powerful character is Xi Jinping. Where is he from? He is from China. How old is he? He is 68 years old. That's the way we're going to do it. Finally, general questions. If you have problems, try not to use Spanish, not Spanish. If you don't understand something, you say, I don't understand. If you need the teacher to repeat something, you say, can you repeat, please? Okay? If you don't know how to say something in English, you can say, how can I say this in English? How can I say mesa in English? How can I say casa in English? And if you don't know how to pronounce something, you say, how do you pronounce this in English? How do you pronounce casa in English? How do you pronounce apartamento in English? Okay? Okay. Thank you very much, guys. Have a very nice day, and I hope you can prepare very well for this activity. See you next week.